Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2004 Ford Excursion. This one is gas. What we're going to do is we're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we do these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details on that. But I have to tell you about this Ford Excursion. This one has a brand new factory motor that was just put in, and it has warranty, okay? So keep that in mind, brand new factory motor with warranty. But as you can see, this one's actually pretty clean for an 04, and you'll see the condition on the inside here in just a moment. You'll see what I'm saying. But as you can see, it's a two-tone with the running boards. There is a little bit of damage right here. There is. But as you can see, it does have the tow pack. And again, we'll get some angles in right here. We'll get down on tires here in just a moment. All right. Let's see here, tire size LT 265 75 R16. Tires, tread seems pretty good. Not the best, but not horrible by any stretch. All right, we'll get to the inside condition and features here in just a moment. All right. Power windows, power locks, heated mirrors, power seat. Let's get the condition of the seats here. I don't see any rips, tears, or stains. There is a little bit of wear of getting in and out on the driver's side. But other than that, I mean, there's no stains in the seats, which is pretty odd for an older Excursion. These are normally family rigs. Lots of kids generally means lots of stains. But as you can see, just clean as can be. There's rear entertainment for a 2004 rear air. But as you can see, I mean, this thing is just clean as can be. Let me get the back seats here. If it'll focus for me, there we go. And that's just this little guy right here. That's for the, I need to put the Velcro on. I didn't put the Velcro on, but let's get the very back for you. Open this guy up. But as you can see, I mean, for an 04 again, really clean on the inside, brand new factory motor. Let me get the manufacturer's sticker here. If it'll focus for me, focus, there we go. Maybe that'll help you out. Let's get some features up front, pretty standard. Tilt, cruise. I mean, the steering wheel looks brand new as well. Stock stereo, 4-wheel drive. It looks like it had some aftermarket for phones here, even the old iPhone charger. But again, I mean, clean as can be. Let's pop the hood real quick before we turn it over. Alrighty. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am not a mechanic. I'm not going to pretend. But what I like to do is get this in here for you the best I can. Because chances are, if you're looking at this one, you're looking at some others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. And I guess this one, they had to put a new engine in it. So, Again, factory warranty, brand new engine from the factory. All right, let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. Where's the mileage here? Oh, there's the mileage there. But the mileage really doesn't reflect what the engine has on it. That's for sure. I'm the king of rock. There is none higher. Sucker MCs should call me sire. Love it. Just noticed that was in the CD player. I thought that was funny. Let's turn on some lights. We'll go back to the engine here. Turn along beautifully. Frankly though, I think we need to put a battery in this. Started up a little slow, but chances are it needs a battery, so we'll go ahead and do that. Put that in there. But anyways, guys, hopefully that helped answer some questions. Whoa! There we go. Hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, you know, shoot another video, walk around, whatever we can do to help, especially in the time that we're in, COVID-19 time frame, which is crazy. We're doing anything and everything we can to try to keep these doors open. 16 years in the business, and for COVID to take this down would be make me personally sick, because I've spent a lot of my time here. Best dealership hands down I've ever worked for. This great company. Well, anyways, I just again want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.